Institution buying is going insane. It seems like the bulls and bears are fighting. Palantir's direction is being decided now. Several organizations and analysts still have reservations about Palantir. But CEO Alex Karp just deleted all doubts about the stock. Today is an insane day for the company. But what am I talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Deep-pocketed investors are making bold bets on Palantir through options, with 73 significant trades showing a split between bulls and bears, 47% bullish and 46% bearish. What's striking is that calls far outnumber puts, with targeted prices ranging from $15 to as high as $90. This suggests that investors are anticipating some big moves in Palantir's stock price, making it an incredibly wild time for the company. Both bulls and bears are going all in, setting the stage for a potential showdown. This recent options movement is truly extraordinary and could be a sign that Palantir is at a major turning point. The heavy activity from both bulls and bears signals that something big might be on the horizon for the stock. It's possible that we're just seeing the beginning of a long-term struggle between those betting on Palantir's success and those expecting it to fall. And where Palantir goes will entirely be dependent on how they perform in the next few remaining months of the year. For the stock, this deep-pocketed investor activity can have big implications. When large investors pour money into options with such aggressive moves, it often creates significant volatility. The heavy bets on both sides suggest that the market expects sharp price movements, and depending on how these positions play out, it could push the stock higher or pull it lower. The fact that so much money is being thrown around indicates that Palantir's future is being closely watched, and this battle between bulls and bears could set the tone for where the stock heads next. A key factor in Palantir maintaining its strong performance is how well they retain their clients. This is crucial because long-term relationships with major clients provide stability and consistent revenue, which helps Palantir keep growing and proves the value of their platform. When big clients stick around, it shows that Palantir's technology delivers results, making it harder for competitors to step in. With this in mind, Palantir has just renewed a significant contract with one of their huge clients, Rio Tinto. Palantir has extended its multi-year enterprise agreement with the Rio Tinto Group, a global leader in mining and metals. This renewal adds another 4 years to their partnership, ensuring Rio Tinto will continue using Palantir's artificial intelligence platform. Rio Tinto is an important client for Palantir because they're a major player in a critical industry, and their continued trust in Palantir's platform underscores the company's ability to deliver powerful solutions. Securing this renewal reinforces Palantir's position in the industrial sector and strengthens their overall business stability. But here's something even more interesting. This contract renewal with Rio Tinto also sends a strong message to Palantir's existing and potential clients. It shows that Palantir's services truly deliver value at the highest level. When a major company like Rio Tinto, which operates in a demanding and data-intensive industry, chooses to continue working with Palantir for another 4 years, it highlights the quality and reliability of their platform. In the long run, this can have a positive effect on Palantir. Not only does it boost their credibility, but it also reassures current clients that they've made the right choice. For potential clients, seeing big names like Rio Tinto stick with Palantir can encourage them to consider adopting the platform as well. This kind of trust and proven performance can lead to more business and long-term growth for the company. So what did Palantir actually do for Rio Tinto? As an early adopter of Palantir Foundry, Rio Tinto has already laid the groundwork for advanced AI deployment by creating a robust digital twin, or ontology, of its operations. Through this ontology, Palantir's AI platform will allow Rio Tinto to quickly build, test, and validate AI use cases, safely deploying them to production. From overseeing plant operations to monitoring geotechnical risks and coordinating unmanned trains transporting iron ore, Foundry enables Rio Tinto to make informed decisions and take action based on a unified source of truth. These types of services are also available to other companies interested in Palantir's offerings. Seeing how effective Palantir's technology is in improving operations at a large, complex company like Rio Tinto could easily convince more clients to choose Palantir for their own needs, further boosting its growth and influence in various industries. But on the other side of the fence, there's still some trouble brewing for Palantir. Hear this out. Despite this huge bullish update from Palantir, doubters are still out there. Jim Cramer recently reviewed 10 stocks that have risen more than 200% this year, and Palantir was on his list. Cramer pointed out that Palantir has reached cult stock status and attributed its gains to lucrative deals with the Pentagon. He suggests that the company's rise is driven by hype and government contracts rather than long-term fundamentals. Negative views like this can have an impact on the stock, because when influential figures cast doubt on a company's growth, it can shake investor confidence. This skepticism can slow down Palantir's momentum, even in the face of positive updates like the Rio Tinto renewal. But his statements didn't just end there. Cramer emphasized that he's not recommending these stocks right now because they've risen too high. But here's something interesting that he talked about. He said they should remind investors of the importance of including speculative companies in their portfolios. He noted, "Let's remember this list of frothy stocks and think of them the next time you're about to ignore a stock for being too speculative. Because these names are often the epitome of speculating wisely, which can be the key for terrific long-term performance. Of course, only when melded with index funds." These statements can have a mixed effect on Palantir's stock. On one hand, calling Palantir frothy may add to the narrative that the stock is overvalued, which could cause some cautious investors to stay away or even sell. On the other hand, by suggesting that speculative stocks like Palantir could deliver strong long-term performance, Cramer is also indirectly encouraging investors to keep an eye on it. His comments might push some to hold on to Palantir, especially those who are willing to ride out short-term volatility for potential gains down the road. But this is just the start. The seemingly lukewarm or even negative outlook towards Palantir doesn't just end here. A non-profit organization, the Good Law Project, is calling for Palantir to be excluded from the UK's plans for an NHS technology revolution. This comes after Wes Streeting, the health secretary, expressed his desire to embrace the technology revolution and seize opportunities to transform the NHS from analog to digital. The Good Law Project raised concerns about the government's approach, specifically criticizing the idea of centralizing health data and doctors' notes. They argued that previous attempts to create central care records have failed because they didn't properly protect private health information. In their view, Palantir's involvement in these projects could repeat the same mistakes, raising doubts about the security and privacy of health data. But all the doubts that these views could cast on investors and Palantir fans have just been deleted. Alex Karp's statement will likely reverse any potential negative effects caused by the bearish outlooks for Palantir. He confidently declared, "We absolutely eviscerated this quarter, driven by unrelenting AI demand that won't slow down. This is a US-driven AI revolution that has taken full hold. The world will be divided between AI haves and have-nots. At Palantir, we plan to power the winners." This bold declaration reassures investors by emphasizing that Palantir is not only part of the booming AI revolution, but is positioned to lead the charge. Karp's confidence in the company's role in powering AI-driven success demonstrates that Palantir's growth is fueled by the unstoppable demand for AI, making it a key player in shaping the future. This kind of statement can counter any doubts and highlight Palantir's ability to thrive in a rapidly evolving market, reinforcing its long-term potential. Alex Karp's leadership is a major catalyst for Palantir's ability to retain clients and expand further. His mindset, which focuses on innovation, long-term thinking, and a deep understanding of the industries Palantir serves, has shaped the company into a unique and valuable player in the tech space. His ability to see beyond short-term trends and focus on building lasting, meaningful relationships with clients allows Palantir to stay ahead of competitors. But what do you think about this? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Palantir update might make you lose money. So don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.